In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Etoro. Start by signing into your Etoro account. Next, make sure you have available cash in your account. If your funds are invested in open positions, you'll need to close those positions before you can withdraw the available balance. After that, click Withdraw Funds from the menu on the left side of your dashboard. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure it meets Etoro's minimum withdrawal requirement and that you have enough available cash in your account. Next, review the withdrawal details, including the destination payment method that will receive your funds. After that, confirm your withdrawal request by clicking Submit. Now wait while Etoro reviews and processes your request. Processing times may vary depending on your payment method and account verification status. Next, monitor the status of your withdrawal from the transaction history or portfolio section of your account. Finally, once the withdrawal has been processed, the funds will be sent to your original payment method or another eligible withdrawal method associated with your account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to withdraw money from Etoro. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.